Mutton fry. Heat pressure cooker. Add half kg of mutton. Add salt to taste and half tsp of turmeric. Add 1 glass of water. Mix them nicely. Once it starts boiling, close lid. Cook up to 5 to 6 whistles. After 5 to 6 whistles, open lid. Turn on flame and cook. Mix and cook on high flame till water absorbs nicely. Mutton is soft and tender. Water is absorbed nicely. Heat to tsp of oil in a kadhai and transfer cooked mutton in it. Mix and fry on high flame. Add half tsp of ginger garlic paste. Mix and cook. Add 1 tsp of red chili powder. Give a mix and cook on medium flame. Add few curry leaves and 2 green chilies. Mix and stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Add some chopped coriander leaves. Mutton is fried well, turn off flame. Tasty mutton fry is done. Tasty and delicious mutton fry is ready to serve. Enjoy tasty mutton fry with roti or rice. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook. Thanks for watching.